Hi everyone, I'm Bryant.
And I am Jen with a G. Welcome to our channel, Bryjen,
Adventures.
where you guys get to follow our travel journey and see the world through our eyes. And if you're new here, thank you for being here, and we hope you
stay.
Exactly.
Come on, babe, sing it. Birthday. Happy birthday.
But from my little cottage in the
Oh, wait. Come on, oh, you can't get in the sand. I'll go in front of you.
It's time for this song. Don't worry
About a thing.
Sing for me.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Don't you worry. Don't worry
About a thing.
I don't say don't worry. What are we gonna do?
Be happy.
That's what we're talking about. In life you got some trouble, but if you worry you make them. Don't worry. What are we gonna do?
Be happy.
That's what I'm telling you tonight. You're here at the RIU Reggae. You're in Jamaica. You're at the home of the king of reggae, Bob Marley. Everybody get up for the resort. Come on. Are you happy to be here?
Yeah. Baby. This is how my mom dances.
I need to hear everybody sing that part, right? If you happen to be alive in Jamaica 2025, say, I am blessed. I am blessed. Sing, sing. Sing, sing. Say.
Good morning.
Good morning. We are officially on our second day in Jamaica, kind of like our first day, honestly. But today we are just exploring the resort. We're actually walking to the other resorts that we have access to, and then afterwards, hopefully, we are going to be going out to the hip strip. And I think we're going to be picked up by my cousin because she actually is in Jamaica at the same time as we are. And let's see if that happens today, but you guys should stay tuned. now we're walking to Montego Bay, back to Montego Bay, because my cousin, her man, they came to pick us up, but they confused which one we were at, but it's still walkable, so we're walking towards it, and I'm gonna show y'all when we meet up. Gang, gang. Hey! What's up? The almost birthday girl. Un besito.
The bird, shitting on all you little turds. Can't take they dick with your turn.
Walking to this local beach. What's this beach called? I think Sunset. We'll look it up later. Me and my ticket. Le Biche.
Hey, what's up, brother?
What's going on? Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Babe, where we at?
Right here, getting that KFC.
That's
Jamaican
right.
style, John Minton.
That's right. What's the hype about? Melanie, what's the hype about? This dude. The chicken with the green season. The lines are about to be long. We finally got our food. We're gonna rate it. Look at you, tired as hell or high. I don't know which one of the two. Was that a biscuit?
Yeah.
Tell me how this biscuit tastes. Cause I'll be riding for the biscuits. I love KFC. Nigga, where's the verdict? Oh, this is slamming. It's slamming. Oh yeah. It got extra herbs in there.
Hi everyone. We returned back to the resort, but when we got back, we went to the pool. I had a little splash and one quick drink. Then after I just came to the room to prep for tonight's party. We actually got dressed up for a white party, but came to find out it's a neon party. Oh well, I mean, we're still gonna enjoy, right?
And now we're gonna go eat dinner.
Exactly.
getting on our excursion. I don't care. Here. I'm with the cooler. Here.
Huh?
I'm with the cooler. Yay.
Alright, right here.
Thank you for that welcome.
Martha Brae. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so let's love my job, man. I love it. Yeah, man.
Awesome. Does this get like really busy here?
Yes, get
like later in the day or?
Sometimes. Like for example, if ships comes in, because the ships are on the port,
The cruises.
the cruise ships, so they didn't pack up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no, I think.
We used to go to the rivers to cool off, because it's so hot. It helps with keeping up with the hot weather.
Yeah, I gotta be this one, you know. I have to pour it for me. I be this one, I be in cool water. My wife likes it, my mom has a big six. Yeah. It's about cool. Right.
You guys get a welcome drink, fruit punch. Yeah. If you want some rum, you need to pay for rum, or you can buy beer, water, soda, and you can take it on the way.
I want the fruit punch.
Fruit punch. Yeah. No rum, just juice?
No, just good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What though, man? Shoot it first?
Yeah, when you told. Yeah.
All right. No problem. Blessings, brother. Blessings.
It's not Florida. Okay. His name is Dwayne.
Relaxing 3 miles. You can take your jacket off, man. Thank you. Get some nice.
Yes?
Yeah, it's a little good.
Sometimes get a little hot and uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Good morning. So right now we are down the Martha Brae River. But first we had to get some breakfast. Well, not this one. He was not feeling too great. But yeah, last night was super eventful. And right now we're just trying to do some very touristy things outside of our resort. And we're having a blast. Where you at? In Jamaica.
Martha Brae, your mom. No, really? Oh, wow.
You hear, bamboo can be sharper than a knife.
Gazebo, bars, furniture, and flooring.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not so easy to do, you know?
Yep.
Yes.
So later, after we pass the shallow, it's gonna be like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I hear a lot of them in there now. Like this?
Yeah, man.
Look at me.
Yeah, you can turn your face that way, the way you're going, left and right, like you're paddling.
Why can't you? Oh no, it's deeper here.
Yeah, it's deeper there, man.
Oh, now I can feel it.
Yeah, so you have to push it down to the ground and push. Yeah, man.
Oh, this is heavy work.
No, man. Alright, you push it on the other side now to keep it straight. Put it on the left side and give it a push.
Nice.
Push it a little closer to the raft.
To the right. Okay.
Yeah, all the way down.
Okay.
Can you feel it?
Yeah, I can feel the sand.
Yeah, man.
Shallow. Where I was super deep.
Let me go there, yeah.
Okay, let me move it.
Where we're gonna go. No, we're gonna go this side. This side.
Yeah, man. Give it another push like that.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. still a little off from last night. You're good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
He's rafting.
Yeah. Wow, it's really deep in here, though.
Yeah, man. Not so bad though, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it over 6 feet now. Later 7 and 8. As I say, go down to 12 to 13, you know. Yeah, man.
I thought this was a lot heavier.
No.
Yeah.
This one for later. This one will be heavier.
That one's heavier?
Yeah.
We're gonna need that for later.
This one is for the deeper waters.
That's why it's longer.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, that makes sense.
So you got the shallow pool for the shallow waters. Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna have to do it from this side, right?
Yeah, man. Next, yeah, and then
He's getting a tutorial. Row, row, row your raft. Goodness. Where did I get this guy from? Hey. Oh, you think you're Hercules now? Don't unbalance me. Do some rowing.
Huh?
Go to work.
Oh, that means we gotta go this side. This side, right?
Yes, I think.
yeah, one push over.
Yep, like this, right?
Yeah, man.
So essentially, the tip is to do it close to the raft.
Right, closer to it and straight down.
And straight down, yeah.
Yeah, man. All right, you have to watch this. Yeah, remember, you know, you have to push it, make it go back.
Getting a limestone massage.
You don't want to going underneath. Leave me there. No, man, the other side, man. Yeah, man. Bring it. Yeah, man, he come around over, man.
You gonna take your job?
Yeah. Especially like this. Yeah, and what you wanna say there? One service hold it back. Alright.
Babe, don't let us go down.
Yeah. I think we're straight now.
What is this limestone good for?
Like skin detox, like changes of skin, sunburns, allergies, mosquito bumps. More
Oh,
smooth, more
nice.
shine, and more soft stuff.
Okay, so I should be shinier.
Yeah, you feel more like a potassium, you know?
Okay.
It's really exfoliated stuff, you know?
Yes. Babe, I'm gonna get shinier.
Shiny.
Yeah.
Yeah, more softer skin, you know?
Mm-hmm. Good for circulation for sure.
Right. Yeah, make it fast, you know, because we don't know where I get one next year, you know, true?
And sometimes one of them straight there.
Private beach.
That's right. Come on. Thank you.
When you're done,
Bags over there? Okay.
enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Enjoy yourself.
Perfect. Oh. No?
Hold on.
Sorry. I got stuck when I was on there. Are you excited?
Yep.
I'm excited. Look, he's here. You gonna go?
El gallo Claudio.
Oh, he decided not to cross. He's like, nah. Ahorita encontramos el gallo adentro de ahí. You heard me? Later we will find the hen in there. That's how you even say it. Hen, cock, whatever. You wanna go in first?
Nope.
Why me? I feel like it's gonna be freezing. And it is. I think I'll get over it eventually. No, you go.
No, yo tengo chanclete, yo tengo que tener más cuidado.
Okay. Feeling for all the rocks. Okay, I feel it. You gotta go get it. You gotta hurry up. This is a whirlpool. Thank you. I'm gonna see if you can get it. You gotta do it without your sandals. Thank you. Thank you. Reggae. This is the Dunn River, and it's a lot of climbing. The water's pretty cold, but it's not as bad as cold water we've been to, right? It's not as bad as cold water we've been to.
Exactly.
This one, you can tolerate it.
It's good, yeah.
Look, if I'm in it, it's not that cold. Woo! Jamaica 2025! Say hi to our followers. Woo! Would you recommend?
Yeah.
Yes, but what? Water shoes. Water shoes. Bring your water shoes. Woo!
Ah, chancleta.
Where'd it go? Not you losing them again. Wow, this is beautiful. The sand over here is way different. Another beach, another day, or backwards, another day, another beach. Hello. Some jerk chicken. Just to try it. And some sweet potatoes. Oh, these are different. Okay. And then there's some hot sauce, so babe can try it with the hot sauce. I'm not a hot sauce person though. Yeah, this got spice in it. Baby gotta try it. It slaps. You gonna try it with the hot sauce? You should dip your finger in it before you put it. Don't pour it on everything. You can have that. I mean, I'm still sharing the rest. Is it super spicy? Lies. Okay. Sweet potato.
Let me see the ladies got one in it. Take some way. Say back.
Hello everyone. So as you guys know, on our third day, tomorrow's our last day, we did all the things you guys already saw, and now we are currently gonna go to dinner. We already got dressed. We had gone to the pool that you had seen previously, and we are gonna hopefully be picked up by my cousin later. I don't know why I said earlier. Later, and take some shots with her because it's her birthday, and then come back and go to the club. And
Keep
I guess
enjoying the resort, you know?
I guess enjoy the resort. So, see you guys later.
Stay tuned.
This is nice. Ooh, it's so cold in here. Good morning, everyone. Today is day 4. It is our last day, and we are quickly gonna go to the pool, the beach, and then we are headed out of Jamaica. What you about to go grab? Some jerk chicken, right? You really look like you have a tan. Your cheeks are red.
There's chicken on the Getting the authentic jerk chicken. Let's go.
Where are we going? This dude does not want to leave Jamaica. Neither do I. Hi guys, we're leaving.
We have to leave.
I guess we do, because in order to come back,
we have to leave.
we have to leave. We just got out of the club Bay lounge, and now we are headed on our flight. So just like always, what do we say? Where do we go next? You're clearly drunk. Where do we go next on our Bride in Adventure?